For number 12, we have a second grade class of 30 students who conducted a pet ownership survey. Results of the survey indicate that 8 students own a cat, 15 own a dog, and 5 students own both a cat and a dog. And then we have a question at the end of how many of the students surveyed owned no cats. So we're going to represent this information on a Venn diagram. You'll first want to go to the intersection of the two sets. So we have here a set representing those who owned cats and then those who owned dogs. The intersection of those two sets would be those who owned both a cat and a dog. So I have 5 students who owned both a cat and a dog. Now to complete these circles, we show that 8 students total own a cat. So right now, we have represented in our circle of owners of cats, we have 5 total. So we have 5 accounted for, we need an additional 3. So that now we have a total of 8 students who owned a cat. We have 15 students who own a dog. So we have here in our set of students who own dogs, we've already accounted for 5 of those. So we have a total of another additional 10 who own dogs. Remember that 30 students were in the survey. So in my diagram, I already have 10 plus 5 plus 3, which is 18 students who own cats and dogs. So for the remainder of what's in my universal set, I need there to be a total of 30. So if we have 30 minus the 18 that we've already accounted for, we have an additional 12 students who don't fall into any of those categories. So if the question is how many of the students surveyed owned no cats, then we have to take out the circle, take out the owners of cats, which right now is that total of 8, and notice that we have left 10 and 12, which is 22. So we have 22 students who did not fall into that category of owning cats.